Have you ever noticed how often you start a sentence with the words I am? I am tired. I am busy. I am broke. We say these things without a second thought. But what if I told you that these two simple words are the most powerful creative force in your life? What if they are the key to unlocking the reality you've always dreamed of? Today, we're diving deep into a profound spiritual secret, popularized by the enigmatic figure known as Saint Germain, the incredible, world-shaping power of I am. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how to consciously use these words to transform your existence from the inside out. This isn't just positive thinking. It's a fundamental principle of creation. So who was Saint Germain? History paints him as a mysterious and brilliant figure from the 18th century, a courtier, alchemist, musician, and spiritual master who seemed to possess eternal youth and boundless wisdom. In the early 20th century, through writings like the I Am Discourses, his teachings on this powerful principle came to light. The core of his message is stunningly simple, yet incredibly profound. Whatever you attach to the words I am, you become. Think about it. The phrase I am is a declaration of being. It is a statement of fact to the universe and, more importantly, to your own subconscious mind. When you say, I am struggling, you are literally commanding your reality to be one of struggle. Your mind, your energy, and the universe conspire to make that statement true for you. You are affirming and reinforcing that state of being. But what happens when we flip the script? What happens when you consciously and deliberately choose the words that follow I am? This is where the magic begins. Saint Germain taught that I am is the name of God within you. It's your connection to the infinite, creative power of the universe. It's the presence of pure, unlimited potential residing right inside your heart. By using this sacred name, you are invoking that divine power and directing it. You are the artist, and I am is the brush with which you paint the canvas of your life. Let's break this down into a practical process. The first step is awareness. For the next 24 hours, just listen to yourself. Pay close attention to every time you use the words I am. You might be shocked at how often you're unconsciously programming yourself for lack, limitation, or unhappiness. I am so clumsy. I am always late. I am not good enough. Each of these is an affirmation, a command that your reality is faithfully obeying. Don't judge yourself, just observe. This awareness is the first crucial step toward taking back your power. Once you've become aware of your patterns, the second step is to consciously interrupt and replace them. The moment you catch yourself saying, I am so stressed, stop, take a breath, and then consciously choose a new declaration. Even if it doesn't feel completely true yet, say, I am peaceful and in control, or I am handling all my responsibilities with ease and grace. You might be thinking, but that feels like lying to myself. I'm stressed. This is a critical point. You're not denying your current feelings. You are declaring your desired reality. You are speaking your future into existence. Your feelings are a result of your past thoughts and affirmations. To change your future feelings and experiences, you must begin planting new seeds with new affirmations now. It's about shifting your focus from what is to what you are becoming . You are a creator, not just a reactor. The third step is intentional affirmation. This means setting aside time each day to deliberately flood your consciousness with powerful I am statements. This is your sacred practice of self-creation. Start your morning not by checking your phone, but by standing in front of a mirror, looking yourself in the eyes and declaring your truth. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. I am a magnet for abundance and prosperity. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am guided and protected in all that I do. Feel the power in these words. Don't just say them robotically. Embody them. When you say, I am confident, stand a little taller. When you say, I am joyful, let a smile touch your lips. Infuse the words with emotion, with feeling. Feeling is the fuel that supercharges your affirmations and sends a clear, powerful signal to the universe. Your job is not to figure out the how. Your job is to stay faithful to the declaration of what. The how will unfold in ways you might never expect. Opportunities will appear. The right people will show up. Your intuition will guide you. Let's consider an example. Say you want to improve your financial situation. For weeks, you've been thinking, I'm so broke. And guess what? Your bank account reflects that reality perfectly. Now, you decide to apply Saint Germain's secret. You stop yourself every time you have that thought. Instead, you begin to affirm multiple times a day with feeling, I am a vessel of abundance. I am prosperous and financially free. Money flows to me easily and frequently. At first, your logical mind might fight back, but you persist. You keep affirming. Then, a strange thing happens. You get an unexpected idea for a side business. A friend calls you with a job opportunity out of the blue. You find a $20 bill on the street. These aren't just coincidences. This is the universe rearranging itself to match your new declaration. You have changed your vibrational frequency, and your reality must, by law, follow suit. You have claimed your power as a deliberate creator. This principle applies to every single area of your life. For health, I am the perfection of health. Every cell in my body vibrates with vitality and well-being. For relationships, I am loving and beloved. I attract harmonious, supportive, and joyful connections. For career, I am successful and fulfilled in my work. I use my unique talents to make a positive impact and am richly rewarded. The words I am are the beginning and the end of your experience. They are the alpha and the omega of your personal universe. What you decree, you create. What you claim, you become. This isn't just a feel-good trick. It's a fundamental spiritual technology that has been taught by masters for millennia. Saint Germain simply brought it to the forefront with crystal clarity. So the invitation today is to become a master of your own I am. Guard the gateway of your mind. Choose your words as if they were magic spells. Because they are. Stop defining yourself by your temporary circumstances and start defining yourself by your infinite potential. You are not your problems. You are not your bank account. You are not your past mistakes. You are the magnificent, powerful being that declares, I am. What will you declare today? What reality will you begin to create for yourself the moment this video ends? Start now. Say it out loud. I am powerful. I am a conscious creator. I am ready for my best life. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the power of I am. If this resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that empowers you to create a life you love. Share your favorite I am affirmation in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Until next time, remember who you are.